Do you want best drones for roof inspections? But it's challenging to find the best detailed inspection drone as per your requirement in price ranges. So we recommended these roof inspection drones to ensure you the best results can be the ultimate choice when you use drones to solve commercial or residential roof problems, such as rust, soft metal, potential damage, cracking, etc. In this video we will look at some of the best drones for roof inspections on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Holystone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone. Are looking for a functional drone for a roof inspection or any personal work? The Holystone HS720 foldable drone is best for you. It has essential key features that can provide you with a good experience for detailed aerial footage. The drone has a capacity of 26 minutes, plenty of flight time, and it includes carrying bag with 2 spare batteries. Also, the flight time can double tap to zoom. The Holystone foldable drone-based roof inspection with their complete package. You will get a high-quality drone cost for the slow-motion battery. Also, a stable optical zoom and optimized Full HD camera 3840 by 2160 can capture high-resolution images and videos without any vibration. The Holystone GPS traction is the best drone for a roof inspection. It has an extended control range system, and you will enjoy a video feed. Using Holystone's optical flow positioning system when flying can rotate steadily at a certain point in your home. Follow me function will follow you, no matter how fast you run. It will give you professional images. Control the drone with the drone app for still images or videos of each part of the roof. Also, enjoyed the beauty and landing pads of any place without any hindrance through the commercial application. I bought this Holystone drone 2 months ago because I needed to repair my roof damage. I purchased videos of many drones manuals on YouTube and Amazon product advertising before buying them. I finally found the Holystone 720. As the battery life of this drone is low, the controller can make a beep. But when using it, automatically start the RTH command yourself. Its durability is controlled with a rotating remote control, and the following GPS surprised me. It can come back when you press the RHT button. I have used drone cameras at a 180-degree angle to examine every part of my roof well. I think it is a great 4K foldable camera drone. Number 2. Holystone HS720E. For a beginner, is it challenging to find a better someone? Well, the Holystone HS720E 4K's drone is best for beginners. It has excellent features in stable hovering, and also, double altitude hold technology is easy to use for the beginner. You can use the drone videos recorded with 60 FPS to play more smoothly and ensure quality video images. Even it has a follow me feature. When you move, it follows you. That has you covered automatically no matter where you go, so you just enjoy all the beauty and landscapes with the help of a third-party software application. Holystone is the best drone for a roof inspection. It gives a flight time of 23 minutes, includes 2 intelligent bonus batteries that prolong your trip to 46 minutes to make it enjoyable. Don't worry if the signal is lost while the drone is flying. There is a self-return mode. Pressing a return key will return automatically. Holystone HS720E is a great drone. I think it is the best drone for a roof inspection. I have been using it for quite some time. Its high-power camera can record images and videos on a TF card and put them in my phone app. It has the capability of aerial photography and excellent photography capabilities. But I am not sure about how the drone functions. The camera and intelligent battery are of high quality. Also, I have tried the follow my command, and it works great. I think it's a very impressive drone considering its modest price. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. For a professional photographer, I confidently say the new DJI Mavic 2 Zoom quadcopter is excellent for you. The drone is a high-technology engineering process. The DJI Mavic 2 series has extra tall-quality cameras that provide superior rare quality footage. It can even capture every wide-angle and mid-range super cheaper shot from a higher quality option for professional photographs. Mavic 2 Zoom Quadcopter UAF has two different versions. It is mainly the best 4K camera drone, so if you want to use your roof inspection drone for photography, it can be a safety powerful flight, yet safe. It is designed to optimize propulsion, ultimate flexibility that you enjoy taking shot time. The drone has an optical 24 to 48mm zoom camera. It can collect 2x optical zoom still images to whipward with 4x zoom by 1x, to 3-inch 12MP sensor, 24 to 48mm. Movie 2 helps to give a dynamic perspective with zoom. The drone is an element with an upgraded AcuSync 2.0 video transmission system. Thus, it helps to find the most potent signal to assist professionals. It can fly for 31 minutes without any hassle. It may be the best choice for safe and worry-free flights. Mavic is the best drone for a roof inspection. Mavic's products are used daily by professional and huge customers in more than 100 countries for various purposes, such as filmmaking, construction, inspection, emergency response, agriculture, and more. Number 4. Parrot PF72080 Anafi. Lastly, the Parrot PF72080 Anafi is the best foldable drone. It is a respectable camera drone below the Respect 700. This drone is foldable and extremely small. It has an f/2.4 ASPH focal point, which is a final wide point. USB-C charging is of high quality so that it can using for sure. With its top decimal 2.7K Full HD target, you will be satisfied with the image quality. Parrot Anafi PF72080 is the best drone for a roof inspection. The drone has achieved the best results for roof inspections and can collect stunning pictures and videos. Moreover, it is light and compact, so you can quickly inspect and repair the roof. That is why most people like it. This drone has several disadvantages. First, more clients at all levels had a terrible involvement in their client support. Second, this drone broke down, and a few more things happened. Next to it is a respectable video drone with an innate camera. Be sure to check out some of the ones below. I was looking for the best quality drone for many years, and finally, I got the Parrot PF72080 Anafi. All its qualities are as excellent as I want. Moreover, it is perfect for the desired environment for desired purposes. But it has an issue that makes me a little bit disappointed. The problem is 16GB card holders. If there is no such type of issue, it would be the best drone with obstacle avoidance ever I found. Number 5. Parrot Drone Anafi Extended. The Parrot Drone Anafi Extended is the best drone for inspection. It has extra capacity for cinematic photography and videos. Also, it has a 4K Fly HDR camera, so you can easily carry it anywhere. Besides, it has a feature that can connect to your smartphone and get control of slow motion. Moreover, it provides safe flying facilities. Whenever the charge level is low or loses connection, it will automatically back to the starting point. The Anafi RH technology ultra and lightweight design are the best drones for roof inspection. There are 21 megapixels and 3-axis hybrid stabilization to take aerial photo shoots, so that included, you won't miss a single image. This foldable controlling drone Parrot Sky Controller has 2 extra batteries. Complete with a shoulder bag, it is considered ideal for unique 180-degree vertical tilt 2-axis gimbal low-angle shots. It is a great feature you have never seen in a drone before. Parrot Drone Anafi is the smallest and perfect light enterprise-level drone on the market. These drones help create crisp, smooth videos in every situation. 2.8x loss-free digital zoom that can capture your photos in detail,